Hello everyone, welcome to my class. What did we learn last class? Last class we learnt about word family A, E, I, O, U. So we saw the word families of vowels. Today we will be reading words with consonant blend. Words with consonant blend. So here we will blend two letters and make a sound. Okay. So what is SL? SL makes a sound slur. Slur. ST makes the sound st. Okay. Slur, st. Shall we see the words? Slate, slide, sleep, slow, slice. Shall we read again? Slate, slide, sleep, slow, slice. So these are the words with SL blend. Okay. Here we have ST sounds. Stir, star, stone, study, post, fist, pest. What are the words here? Star, stone, study, post, fist, pest, stir, slur. So these are the consonant blends. Okay, learn this and I will see you in the next class. Bye.